Hi guys, so I'm going to be teaching us how to use Shein. Now, I'm just going to sign in. For you to download Shein on your iPhone, just go to the Play Store or App Store. So you search for the app Shein. Now for Android, you do the same thing. Since the app is installed already, that's why it's showing open. So you just have to install. Now let's go back to the app. So here we are. We have different categories of products. And we have shop, we have category, we have new, we have cart, we have me. Me is your profile where you have all your shipping details, your name and everything. Shop is where you buy from. Category where you can check different categories of products. If you look up here, there are also categories here. New, I think this is for new products. So for carts, when you pick an item, you can easily add it to your cart. So now up here you can use this to go into the different categories. Now this love up here, come on, the love here is for you to add an item to your favorites. So probably you don't want to buy it yet, you don't have the money for it yet, you're just going through everything, you can just add it to your favorites. Now let's just click on this first three lines that I selected. So can you see the different categories we have here? We have all, women, curve, kids, men, home. And then, so let's just go back to all. Now can you see the different categories we have here? So you can just pick whatever you want to buy or you can search. So let's go back to shop. This is shop. So I'm going to go back to shop. Now at the top here we have the search bar. You can either input text or you use a photo to search for an item you want to buy. So let's just pick something and see how we can buy it. But first off, I'm going to sign in. Now, how you register is quite simple. I tried registering before, but I wasn't getting the code. So I'm going to register using my email address. Now, this is me. I'll just click on me. Then under me, can you see the details we have? We have coupons, we have points, we have wallet, we have gift card, we have unpaid. That is if you've not paid for an item. If you've paid, it's going to be under processing. Shipped, that means they've shipped it out. You can drop reviews, returns if you want to return an item. Support, this is help center. You can message their customer care. We have check-in. Now let's just come to sign in or register. This is settings. You can set your country, your currency and all. This is also customer care. This is the use of scan. This that I'm circling here. So let's sign in and register. Now you can either sign in with your mobile number or email address or join with continue with Google, continue with Facebook, continue with Apple. Can you see my location is already set to Nigeria, yeah? I can easily change it with this. So let's say you're in another country, you can just select the country you're in. Now I'm going to click continue with Google. Shane wants you to use google.com to sign in. Continue. So I'm not going to pick an email address. So I just used my email address to sign in. I already created an account. But then even if you haven't created an account, this is something you can also do as well. So can you see my name here? I can decide to, this is my email address name. So I can decide to edit profile. So you can set your nickname, your bio, you can talk about yourself, your preference, you can select your preferences here, size of the item you probably buy in the future. So let's just go back. Now I'm just going to click on settings here. So our currency is in USD. You can change to another currency. My location is NG. But I don't, I'm not sure if there's Naira, but let's check. Because it's been a while I use this app. Manage my account, address book. This is for your address. Now I'm just going to click on currency. Let's check if there's Naira here. So can you see there's no Naira? Now let's go back. So location. Remember, if you can change your location, like I said before. If you are using Shein to buy, you are paying in dollars. This means you have to use a dollar card. Since our Naira cards are not allowed for international transactions anymore, except our government now changes it. But for now, you have to use a dollar card. I'll click on manage my account. So my email address is here. Phone number, I can add it. I can change my password. I can delete account, download my info. Let's go to address book. So you can add a shipping address. I just click on add a shipping address. Now this is where you want your item delivered to. That is your home address or wherever you are in Nigeria. So you put your first name, your last name, your phone number for delivery, the state you're in, city you're in, the postcode of your area, your first address, second address line. So where we have make default, you can just make this address your default. So that is whenever you're buying anything, that is the address you'll be sending your item to. If you have two other addresses or one other address there, and you make this first one default, they'll be sending your item to this address. So it is not a must you make it a default. Let's go back. So let's say you want to buy from different brands like Opoly, Fashion Nova, and the likes. And it's not going to make sense if your item is coming one after the other. So now you want to receive all your items together. You can have a shipping company receive your item in a certain country. So let's say, for example, the UK. Instead of setting it to Nigeria, you can set it to the UK and then input the shipping company's warehouse address instead of your Nigerian address. So that shipping company will receive all of your items in the UK and then they will send all your items from the different brands down to Nigeria. That is less expensive compared to sending everything down to Nigeria. It is cheaper than you sending items one after the other from different brands straight to Nigeria. So let's say you're only buying from Shein. Now you're cool. You can have them send it to Nigeria straight away. So let's try to buy an item. We'll come back to category. Let's just pick so I'm just going to pick this women sweater dresses. So here we have different dresses. So let's just pick one. I'm just going to go with the first one, which is $26. Now we have extra small, we have medium, we have large. There's a size guide you can go through. Shipping to Nigeria, of course, you'd have selected your address and everything. So this is the amount for express shipping. Although I've not added an address, but they'll calculate it based on your address. Now estimated to be delivered on 9 to 12th February. Let me see here. So they have a return policy, description of the item, and you can just add the item to cart, or if you're not ready to buy but you like the item, you can just add it to this love. Just click on the love and it will be under your wish list or favorites. But in this case, under Shane, it's called wish list. So the model in this photo is wearing size small. How do we know? Here it is. Can you see? So you can just check out more details for this item. Now you can just add to cart. Hmm, just pick extra small, because if this model is wearing small, that means I'm way smaller than this person. So I'm just gonna pick extra small and pick a color. They have different colors here, so I'm just going to pick this mustard yellow color. Okay, they don't have extra small. So I'll just add to cart. We are not buying, so let's just add to cart. Or we can put it under our wish list. I just clicked on the lock part. Can you see added to wish list? So this is just a quick overview of how to use Shein. If you want the full explanation on how to use Shein, send a DM and let's talk.